Hi, honey. No, you can't nudge me. They think they're getting this, which is going... Hey, get down. Hey, get down. It's going to the chickens. It's saffron rice and spinach and a little bit of bean and a little bit of tomato. Okay, girls. We're going to put it down right here, okay? Where's Mary? She laying an egg? Don't step in it. Come on, eat. Love their sounds. I love you, Rose. You good girl? You gonna help me check eggs? We got all three, yes. Okay, Flora, Rose, and this is the solid tan, Mary. I know Mary. I say this is Rose's because on top it's more tan than on the bottom. Okay, I have 15 minutes to get my butt into that car and get to work. So, remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless, and have an awesome day.